Hi guys! So it's our second full day here in Hoi An. And ngayon is nagbook ako ng coconut boat ride. Kapon ko lang to binook actually. Sa Klook ko to binook guys. Pwede mo siyang pabook. Lalagay ko na lang dyan yung link. Before kasi bawal yung isa lang. Parang minimum of dalawa. Pero ngayon pwede ka na mag-book ng isa lang. So, let's go. Solo traveler friendly na siya ngayon. So yun, babala ako, book ako ng Grab to papunta doon sa meeting place and then let's figure it out. Bye-bye! So doon lang ako binaba ng Grab guys. Tinuro niya dito. Tapos ayun na pa. Ayun na, Klook. Pagbitok niyo sa Klook. Dito, ang tahimik pa. Ang tahimik pa. It's so nice. Klook. Ito. Ito. Pasok ako muna ito. Nahanap ko tong coffee shop na to guys. Tindahan pala siya sa baba. Let's look around muna bago mag-coffee. There are a lot of cute mugs here. Mm. Cute! Ba't balik mo itong uuwi? Sinabi. Another notebooks na naman. Pag ako ay puro coasters. How much kaya? 125. 125. How much yun? 125. Magkano yun? Check ko nga lang guys. Wow, there are linen things here. A lot of linen things. Very nice. Clothes. I'm not interested. This is really cute. Look. Look. 185. It's really cute. Anyways, akit na tayo sa... Ay, ang ganda. Ito yung ordering place. Umorder ako ng coconut coffee. Tapos, check ko lang yung taas, guys. Hindi Hoi An. To fall deeply in love with Hoi An. Oh! Oh, that's hot. Oh, that's going to be hot. 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 No way am I going to stay here. Pero let's just take a picture and go down. Okay. I think it's better if you go here in early in the morning or hapon kasi it's really hot. I just took some pictures. There are a lot of Instagrammable place. Pero just look at this. This is your view. This is going to be your view, guys. It's really, really pretty. Like, kung pumunta kayo dito ng hapon or early morning, it will be tolerable and I think mas enjoyable. Pero ganito, Ayan yung coffee ko. I'll go down. Sa baba ako iinom kasi it's too hot in here. I can't do it. Bye! So guys, meron dito sa second floor. It's sa Orderan area. Meron din dito. Wait. Okay. Wait natin na yan. View from here. May fan naman. Tara! Coffee muna ako guys. This is coconut coffee. 69 K dong. We're going to taste it. Yup. It's good. Matapa. Pero hindi ko malasahan yung coconut. Hi guys. So as you can see, I'll be working. Pero test muna natin yung speed test ng internet yung oh nice. That's nice. Ayan. So far, really good. Bilis siya guys. So, kung may bala kayong mag-work sa hotel na to, it's really good. Nice, very fast. Hong Kong, but I'm in Vietnam though. Yun lang guys, I will be working till 8 p.m. Tapos labas ulit tayo mamaya for dinner. Bye! Hi guys! So, nangitim na nga ako. So, I've just finished working. And it's almost 8 p.m. na. So, I'm just gonna go out to the night market and pick out some foods for dinner. And, although galing na rin tayo doon kahapon, pero hindi ako kumain doon kahapon. So, I'll eat today. Okay, so let's go eat at the night market. Let's go. Dito yung hotel ko. Diyan. Konting lakad lang, as in mga 10 steps lang siguro. And we're going to the night market. Wait lang, bakit parang ang blur nung Teknik ng size ha. Ang lamig kasi sa loob. Ayan. Ang lamig kasi sa loob ng room. Tapos ang humid dito sa labas. So we're just the night market. Okay. Video na lang ulit ako pag nandun ako guys. Kasi nahihiya ako sa mga tao. Hey! Okay, so then here, may usok. Dun sa unang part, anong puro lanterns, tapos 10,000 baht. Pwede kayong magpa. Oh, there are more dream catchers now. Oh no. Oh my god. Kasi parang ang ninipis kasi. Bao nhiêu?
Kamay.
Ay, 550.
Tầm 50 lái tầm. Okay.
120. Oh, okay.
130.
This big?
Inside.
Oh.
Anh đây là sushi. Đây là 50.
Okay. Thank you.
Đây. Đây. Okay, 100.
100?
50. 50. Okay.
Nakuha ko ng 80 yung Dreamcatcher guys. Galing 150 yan. Ang tip ay lumayo kayo, umalis kayo. Actually wanted some sausage. This one?
How many?
Just one? Bayad lang ako guys. May mga upuan din nga pala dito kung gusto nyo umupo. Hehe. Pasensya na guys, kung hagad na ako, ha? Sige, kainin na lang namin. Anghang lang ganisa. Hindi rin ganun kaanghang yung ano. Sauce. Okay lang. So good. Masarap po sa suka. Gutom na gutom talaga. Ang huling kain ko kanina pa after ng coconut boat. Mm. 10/10. Super sarap. Next stop. So, hindi ko balak bumili ng pasalubong dito, guys. Pasalubong balak ako sa Danang kasi mas feeling ko mas mura. Pero guys, ang daming maganda. Kaya na-attract ako actually dun sa mga shirt. Pero, feeling ko kasi meron din yan. Sorry. Meron din yan sa sa Danang na mas mura. Ang gaganda oh. Meron din ito guys dun sa mga side. Feeling ko mas mura doon kaysa kung dito kayo bibili sa gitna. Oh, the dream catchers. Nakabili na ako. Hindi ko natatanungin kung anong presyo niyan kasi baka sumama loob ko pag mas mura. Guys, sobrang konti ng Pilipino dito. Sinabi dito ay Westerners, tsaka Korean, Chinese. Isang beses pa lang ako nakamit ng Pilipino. Kahapon pa ako nantingin dito. Yung night market nila, more on, oh my god, this is so pretty. Alam, ang ganda pa eh. Oh no. Buti na lang wala nagtanong sa akin. Nakadayang tsaka tayo. Ang cute. Ang cute. Okay. I think that's all. Naka-zoom na naman ako. Dito ko nag-Ursiflora. Sabi ko na nga ba eh. Sabi ko sa inyo, paalala niyo sa akin yung Ursiflora. Ako nag-Ursiflora guys. Wala na, kumain na ako eh. What's that? Hoy, Anban Bar Horse. Ito ang ganun pangalan. Okay, I think it's time to go back. Hi. Wala no. Nakita ko na naman siya. Tara! Hindi ko pa bakang bumili ng gano'n. Okra. Coconut ice cream. Wala akong makain ah. Feeling ko magkakaulaw ako na ito. You are the band for me. Like, may character yung mga t-shirts nila. I really like it that way. Parang pare-pareho yung food. Ang ganda, no? Friends forever. Okay. Wala tayong makakain dito. Very nice. Magpipicture sa akin. Okay, punta na tayo sa... Ayan na. Ayun na part. Ito yung river. Love you, baby. Trust in me. Okay, baka tawagin ako pagka nagtagal ako. Like, this is the mood, guys. May energy na ako ngayon compared kahapon. So, yeah. Iba yung mood, guys. Oo, sobrang touristy. Pero, it's not like, iba yung pakiramdam. Like, magaan. Sobrang gaan. Hoi An is such a dream. And look at the mood of the people. Like, everyone's mood is just so great. ewan ko, meron pa din talaga. Everywhere you go, you have that incense smell. Not too much naman. Or you can smell it. Alam nyo, Westerners are thriving in this place. Like, this is such a mood. Imagine being in an Asian country, pero everything is set for Westerners. Like, yung mood. It's like you're in a holiday, but everyone is catered to you. Nakalimutan kong papasok ako sa mga iskinita. Nag-enjoy na ako ko dito. Kakalakad ko dito. Lipat tayo sa kabilang side. You want? Mas live. Parang mas live dito. Yung kabila parang more on coffee shops, I think. Lipat tayo sa kabila. Okay, nasa other side na tayo, guys. And where should we start? Let's start there. Sana naririnig niyo ako. Pero let's start there. Okay, I think dito sa side na to, look, kahit yung Crocs, nag-blend in siya. Imagine, that's Crocs, ha? So, itong side na to is more on specialized stores or something like that. So if you want something different, I think this is the one. Okay. This is Tired City. Oh, so sad. Charot. Oh. Hamilton Cafe. A lot of people are. This is the Morning Glory, the original. Ano may Morning Glory din sa kabila? Ganda ng mga polo, guys. So, hindi ko alam kung fan kayo ng mga ganyang polo. Ang ganda ko. Leather shops. There are a lot of leather shops here, guys. FIFO. Sense FIFO. Hindi ko alam kung yan yung FIFO. Team Cafe, Ube. Ubebe. Oh, look. Ay, no photos. Joke lang. Sorry. Chukmong namoy. Little 5. Ito yung Little 5. I think ito yung 5. Unang tao. Bakit ganun? What is this? Ay. Okay. Oo nga. Hoy, Unbook Street. Oh, there's books. Wow. Magaling. Ano to? Second. Wow. Tara, may Dan Brown pa dyan, no? Oh, ang galing. Kaya lang kasi marunong Vietnamese, guys. Parang more on Vietnamese. Pero ang galing yung streets yun na ganito pala. I didn't know. Okay, balik na tayo dun sa street na nakaran natin na naliligaw na naman ako. Sobrang bilis mo distract. Ay, cutie. Ganun ba ang tawag sa akin dito? Tulog sabi. So I just realized I wasn't filming any outro at all. So I just got home from the night market. Kakauwi ko lang galing night. Sorry, nag-English na ako. Kakauwi ko lang from the night market. Kumain lang ako. Actually, huli kong ginawa yung pagkain. Kumain ako ng kaulao. Somewhere there. Hindi ko na ata na videohan. Hindi ko na na-videohan, guys. Pero I ate Khao Lao. It was 39,000 dong. That's, I think, 90 pesos lang. Ganon. Medyo ano siya sa akin. Ilalagay ko dito yung picture. Ayan, picture ng Khao Lao. It's so for me. Meron akong ayaw na, I think it's coriander or cilantro na nilalagay nila. Kasi yun din yung ayaw ko sa chicken rice. The chicken rice had it also. Di ko alam kung cilantro yun or coriander. Basta something like that. I don't like it. Not a fan of it. So, yun pa lang, nakakabawas na siya ng 3 points. So, I think it's like 6/10 for me. Nothing life-changing. But you have to try it, of course. Of course, kasi Hoi An, delicacy siya. Specialty siya ng Hoi An. So, don't let this review stop you from trying it. Try it pa din. Kasi it's Hoi An specialty. You have to try it because you're in the place, diba? Pero kung talagang allergic kayo. Pero yan. It was a nice day. So, tomorrow, I'll be up early kasi gusto ko sanang mag-bike. Hindi ko siya nagawa kahapon. So, I wanna do it tomorrow. Kasi tomorrow yung last full day ko dito sa Hoi An. So, I'll see you again tomorrow, guys. Bye-bye. Stay clumsy. Bye!